Hey, what's up folks? This is DJ with Rabbit Squirrel Garage, and we're going to go ahead and install these new handlebars on the Virago 250 bobber build. So what we've got here are some black handlebars, and I think they call these lane splitters. But what's really cool is the way that they end up at the end. They don't bend down like the original ones, they kind of bend down. These go straight out, which means bar end mirrors. Right. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed. Well, as you can see, I've got this mounted up on the lift right now, so I'm going to have to disconnect it and I guess just leave it up there. But yeah, I need to get my straps off of it because they're attached to the handlebars. So that'll be the first step. I do this side first because the kickstand's on that side. You want it to just roll over and lay down on the kickstand. Let's disconnect the electrical first. Just a couple of zip ties basically. These will not be going back on the bike. What will be happening is at some point I'm going to run all the wires through the handlebars, so that all we'll have up here are and I may even move the choke completely, but so we'll have at a minimum one, maximum two cables hanging out the front here. And over here you're going to have a brake. I'm going to reduce this to a single throttle and also again run those inside the handlebars. So it's going to be a lot of work, but it'll be well worth it, trust me. Alright, we're going to go ahead and remove the controls on this end, on the left side. We're going to use some compressed air for that. There we go. Oh wait, we got to pull this off. There we go. Bolts out. Now we need to disconnect the throttle. The other one should be really easy. Yep. Alright. Pull that off. No, bar end mirror, or bar end weight. thing is get these caps off of here so we can get access to the bolt head, which is an Allen wrench. Got the handlebars off. Alright, let's get these new bars put on. Should be quick and easy. Got our Allen wrench, got our mounts, and our bars. Screw right here. Centered. No, let's center them. All right, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now we start putting our hand controls back on. All right, let's see if everything matches back up. We'll get the mirror on first. Looks a little bit bigger than it was, so let's open that up a little bit. Without scratching anything, that is. There we go. Still works. Now we can put it back together. Oh yeah, white handle grips. Here they go. I guess we're using compressed air again. Go. Alright, we're all the way on. Now, let's tighten those back down. go. One side down.
Let's get that mirror off. Goes the other way. It's reverse thread on this side. If you've ever broken a mirror off on the right side of your bike, that's because it's reverse thread. I forget it all the time. You just saw me forget it. But yeah. We need to get the throttle back on.
Okay, using some compressed air, I was able to get this throttle off of here, this grip off the throttle. And now we're going to put our white one on.
Doing the same thing, using some compressed air.
Alright, I got it on there.
We are there. Handlebars and new grips are on. What do y'all think? Alright, sounds good to me.
Okay folks, there they are. The new handlebars and white grips are on. What do you think? I'm going to be getting rid of most of the wires, at least the electrical wires, and there's really no way to get rid of the brake line or the clutch and the gas, but I can reduce the gas one down to 1 because that's a push-pull system, and even a push-pull system works just fine on a single one. You can just add a spring and it'll make up the difference. So I'll be getting rid of a lot of them wires. But yeah, that's how it looks now. Let me know what you think. I'd appreciate it.
Okay folks, well there's the 8-hangers slash whatever you want to call them, handlebars. I think they call them like lane splitters or something. I call them 8-hangers. But they are kind of bent in a little bit and then straight out instead of like the other ones where they were curved backwards. These are straight and I like that much better. Still got to clean up some wires, but in good time, So okay, I'm going to go ahead and call it there. What do y'all think? Look good so far? Remember, we're going for our bobber reels. That's why it's got the white hand grips. Well, thanks for joining me. I hope you liked it. I think it looks great myself. These 8-hangers or traffic splitters, whatever they call them. I call them 8-hangers, even though they're kind of short. Got new white grips. Took the mirrors off. We'll be putting barn mirrors on, and yeah, that's how it goes right now. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Alright, have a good one folks.